So for today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to change auto reply on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to know more, make sure to finish this video and follow the simple steps. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to head on to our Google Play Store and search on autoresponder FB. So search on that. Once you've searched for this, there will be lots of options that you could choose from in this, but guys, download this autorespond all social media. So second one, click on that and click on download. Since I already downloaded it, I just only need to open this. Okay, so let's open this application and this is how it looks like. So click on I acknowledge, I agree. Then click on permission as well because it's asking for the permission, so click on that to be able to use that. I'm aware of the possible risk and assume all possible consequences voluntarily, so wait for the timer to finish, then click on OK. Alright, then let's head back into the mobile application. Alright, so there's a advertisement, so just click on back button. Hey, what's happening? Just continue to click back button. So I'm gonna clear that out and then head on to the application. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so it says that I need to remove the battery optimization for auto reply application. Okay, so as you can see, this is the homepage of all autoresponder application that we downloaded. So as you can see, if you receive good morning message, then the reply that we're going to send to the sender will be good morning with the emoticon here. So if you want to edit that, just click on the pen here and add anything that you want. So good morning, if you receive this message, then just click or search for all. Is it for all? Whatever, even it's not good morning, then they will gonna reply good morning with an emoji. So contain, start with, end with, ignore case, similarity match. So let's just go with contain, then this is the reply. Alright, so if you're satisfied with that, just click on before that, I forgot that you need to select apps here to apply this one. So in here there's options to choose from to be able to send this or use this kind of autoresponder. So this is allowed or used to be used in Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, and Line, and also the Signal. So I'm good with that, so just click on check button here and check in here.
Ate, menu kinapos ba this month?
So as you can see guys, they have advertisement again. Okay, so let's just wait for this to be finished, and then so that we could go back to what we are working with. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds until it's fully finished. Alright, so click on the X. Okay, alright, so these are the messages. So if you want to add, just click on the plus button here. Then the message that you're gonna receive is like, how are you? Oh, sorry for the typo. Ayo. Alright, so contain. Then the reply message is that I'm fine, but I'm kinda busy now. Sorry for not replying immediately. We'll get back to you soon. Alright, then click on check. Oh, sorry, select the apps that you would like to use this. So it's only for Messenger, alright. Okay, so click on check, and there's another advertisement, and yeah, as you can see, it's turned on here. Just turn on, turn off, turn on. Alright, so you can use all of this, and if you want to add more messages, just click on the plus button and add all the messages that you would like or you would probably encounter, so that they would receive and auto reply to their messages. Alright, so that's how easy it is, guys, to be able to change the auto reply to your Facebook Messenger. So I hope that you learned something new today and you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up, as well as don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell for you to get updated on our latest updates. Thank you for watching.